Understanding contractor hiring in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases contractor and hiring a contractor. This will be especially useful for those learning English as a second language, as understanding these terms can help in both business and everyday contexts. A contractor is a person or a company that is hired to perform a specific task or project. Unlike regular employees, contractors are not permanently employed by a company but are hired for a specific duration or project. They are often experts in their field and provide specialized services. When we talk about hiring a contractor, we refer to the process of engaging the services of a contractor. This involves several steps. 1. Identifying the need for a contractor. 2. Searching for suitable candidates or companies. 3. Evaluating their skills and experience. 4. Negotiating terms and conditions. 5. Signing a contract that outlines the scope of work, duration, and payment. Hiring contractors is beneficial for several reasons. Flexibility. Contractors can be hired for short-term projects, offering flexibility to businesses. Expertise. They bring specialized skills and experience. Cost-effective. Often more economical than hiring full-time employees for short-term needs. When hiring a contractor, it's important to understand the legal and financial aspects. Contracts. A clear contract protects both parties. Payment terms. Usually, contractors are paid based on project completion or specific milestones. Tax obligations. Different tax rules may apply compared to regular employees. While hiring contractors has advantages, there are also challenges. Communication. Clear communication is essential to ensure project success. Quality control. The hiring entity needs to monitor the quality of work. Dependency. Over-reliance on contractors can be risky. I hope this video has helped clarify what contractor hiring means and how it works in the English-speaking business world. Remember, understanding these concepts can significantly help in your professional and everyday English communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.